I think memorizing answers खाली बहुत नहीं होता है. I'm a little bad in Hindi, so you will have to cope up. I feel like memorizing answers is not enough because आपको concept clarity होनी बहुत जरूरी है. And if you're aiming for Delhi, that is a must, I feel, because they do not give you straight questions as such. It is all सारा घुमा फिरा के वो देते हैं, and if you know the law, then only you will be able to answer. So memorizing honi chahiye, but concept clarity is a must, which is I feel. And secondly, it depends कि आप clear कर रहे हो, आप बहुत कम margin से रह गए हो, या आप बहुत ज़्यादा margin से रह गए हो. So there are like three different things. Clear कर रहे हो, then you know it, you know the law, you know how to attempt, you know how to finish your paper in time and everything, right? But अगर आप close margin से रह रहे हो, then like me, so it really depends, like destiny plays a role, your luck plays a role, and apart from that, vacancies play a role, because the this time vacancies were really less. And say ज़्यादा margin से रह रहे हो, like 30-40 marks, then I really think that you need to put in more, because 5-10 marks का जो हेर होता है, वो आपकी luck और आपका presence of mind कैसे चला उस time पे, वो then you know the thing, but थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर रह गया. But 30-40 marks is a big difference. So if you अगर आप 30-40 marks से हर बार रह रहे हो, then you need to change how you're preparing, and you need to change how you're attempting the paper. So presence of mind, concept clarity, in-depth knowledge of law is very important. Cramming is not required. There's not cramming won't take you a long way. तो आपको रट्टाफिकेशन से कम, आई थिंक आपको लॉ आनी चाहिए. रट्टाफिकेशन से नहीं चलता, I feel. Consistency is always the key to success, I feel. So if you have been consistent over the period of time, you will be able to make it. And I feel English is something which is ignored by many. And मतलब इंग्लिश एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट होता है जिसे हम बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं, बहुत इजी लेते हैं कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, इंग्लिश तो हो ही जाएगी. बट दैट्स नॉट द थिंग. इंग्लिश अगर आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करते हो, देन यू हैव एन over the others, because you cannot create a big difference. But English may, if you're able to fetch say 20 to 30 marks more, that goes a long way. तो इंग्लिश को कभी भी लाइटली नहीं लेना चाहिए कि चलो इंग्लिश तो हो ही जाएगी एंड ऑल दैट. एंड Pressy, as far as Pressy is concerned, I feel your vocabulary should be like really nice. And Pressy is not just कि आपको एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है तो आपने उसको सिर्फ छोटा करके लिख दिया, लाइंस बीच में से कट कर दी, and then you write the same thing. That won't fetch you marks. Pressy is something you need to understand the passage first, and then you need to write it in your own language. जैसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं ना, सार लिखना होता है, सिर्फ you just have to write the summary in the substance of it in your own language. It is not just यहाँ से उठा के यहाँ पे लिख दिया, बीच में lines cut कर दी. So Pressy not about that, and you will be able to shorten the passage only if you understand like what's written over there, right? So you need to work on your vocabulary if you feel you lack somewhere in it. So you need to really build up a good vocabulary, and that can be done through newspapers. I feel newspapers are the best source.